Hello friends. Today I am making Thieves stain remover. So let me show you how I do that. I take an empty Thieves laundry jug and I put, oh, there it is, 1 cup of Thieves laundry soap. One half a cup, now 1 cup, I'm going to do 1 cup. It's on there tight. This stain remover will last me probably a year. Okay. 1 cup of Thieves household cleaner concentrate. And 1 cup of Thieves dish soap. That was not cool. Let's see if we can scrape up some of that. Okay, so now we have those 3 ingredients in there. Ooh, sudsy hands. Okay. And now we're going to add 10 drops of lemon. Ten drops of Thieves. 10 and 10 drops of Digize. Okay. Then we're going to put a cap on it. First, we're going to take and scrape up this dish soap that's spilled, because we don't like to waste anything. So we got that all off the counter. And let's see if we can put some more of that back in there. We're going to shake it up. And then we take our spray bottle. We put 1/4 of the mix in the spray bottle and fill the rest with water. And then spray our spots. And there's your stain remover. Have a great day. See you soon.